Hi friends, so today we've made baby Yoda. So this STL file I've got from Thingiverse, and this is available on cults as well. So the layer height I've chosen is 0.2 mm. The support type is tree structure, because if we choose some other type of supports like normal support, it would be very difficult to remove for such small figurines. Tree support is pretty much easy to remove, and support Z distance I have chosen is around 0.2, and support X/Y distance I have taken as 0.8 mm. So this support X by Y distance, the more it is, the easier it is to remove the supports. And as you can see, the quality is okayish. The lines are there, but when we view it from a bit far, it seems okay. Probably we'll try printing it in a larger scale, around 200%, and we'll try painting it again in the next video. Thank you.